Hi everyone, Edmund here. Welcome back to Barista Experience YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial video, we'll be using Urnex Grindz to clean our Marconic EK43 grinder. So the usual way of cleaning a grinder is to remove the burr. By removing the burr, there is a risk of misalignment when putting the burr back together inside the grinder. So today we'll be using about 80 grams of Urnex Grindz to clean the EK43 grinder. So the reason we use coffee beans is to flush out any remaining Urnex grinder residue left inside the grinder. Thanks for watching today's video. See you guys next time.
3, 2, 1, go.